How to scan a QR code with an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways to scan QR codes with your Android phone. So first, it'll be scanning a QR code with your camera. And then second, if you have a QR code on your phone, such as a PDF, an email, website, anything like that, I'll show you how to scan that code that's on your phone with your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so if you see our QR code and you want to scan it with your phone's camera, to do that, all we need to do is open up the camera on our Android phone. And then what you want to do first is select the gear in the bottom left of the camera and then select more settings. In here, you want to make sure that you have camera scan suggestions enabled. So if you turn that on, now when we go back to the camera and I get the entire QR code in there, it'll scan it and let me know what that is. So if I select that, it's going to open up that web address. If it were text or something, I could also copy that text, something like that. Now, if for some reason that's not working for you, we can use a free tool called qrcodegadget.com. I created this tool because I wanted to be able to recommend something that does not require you to upload anything to a server. All the tools on here work within the browser on your phone. Nothing ever leaves your device, so it's private. Check the description. I have a link down there. But once you get to qrcodegadget.com, select Scan QR Code, give it access to your camera, and then all you need to do is capture the entire QR code. It'll let you know that a QR code was found, and then it'll give you the text below. So you can just copy that. You could paste it, share it, do whatever you want with it. Now, if you have a QR code that's on your phone, such as something in an email, someone texts you a picture of a QR code, we can easily scan that by first taking a screenshot of the actual QR code. And you could do that by pressing the power button and the volume down button on your Android phone at the same time. And you'll see a little screenshot show up. Once you've taken the screenshot, we can go to the files on our phone, and you should see the screenshot there. You can also go to images. So I'm going to open up the screenshot. And then when you open up the screenshot, you should see a little camera icon on the bottom right. If you select that, it'll scan the image, and then you'll see that the QR code right there, if you select the QR code, it's going to open up or copy the data from that QR code. Now, if for some reason that's not working for you, you can again go to qrcodegadget.com and this time select decode QR code from image. So once you get here, select choose file. You'll be able to see the screenshot right there that you just took of that QR code. And if you select it, as soon as you select it, it'll decode the QR code and give you the text where all you need to do is select copy to clipboard. And then you'll be able to paste that data. If it's a web address, Wi-Fi information, anything like that, anywhere you need it and be able to use it. So that was two ways to scan a QR code on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.